Hello guys, I'm going to show you how you can download Winbox. It's the one we use when you're going to configure any Mikrotik. So what you can do, just click on Google and open Chrome. Then you type Winbox. Download. Storage 12. So here you click Winbox download, then you click on the first link from the Mikrotik because that's the one which can help us to do all the needful. Then you click on software. And click on the latest one. For Windows, if you have 64-bit and or 32-bit, you select what you have. Then you click download. As you can see, it's now downloading. Then you wait for it until it's finished. But for me, I've already downloaded this, so I don't need to download it again. Maybe giving you the link, the download link. I brought this video so that it can help you and be easier for you to download this. What you can do now, you can install. To install, you come within the downloads, then look for the Winbox. This is the Winbox. You double click to install into your system. But to me, since it's already installed, it has to open direct. As you can see, it's reading my Mikrotik directly and its IP address, as you can see. If it doesn't, you keep on clicking refresh, or you use a cable and connect. That's how it can help you out. As you can see, this is my Mikrotik. When I click on connect, it will connect automatically, as you can see it. Then you do the configurations of the Mikrotik. So thank you guys. This is all I had for you today. Just stick with us. We'll help you in everything. I'm going to show you how you can configure your Mikrotik. First and foremost, you need to install this Winbox. If you want to install this Winbox, I'll put a link within the description which you will use so that you can download that. Then after downloading that Winbox, then you connect Wi-Fi wirelessly to the Mikrotik, or what you can do, you connect using a cable from the Mikrotik. The Mikrotik should be having internet, or then you connect it to the computer, then you open that Winbox. Go to this search bar and type Winbox. After installing it to your computer, then we open it. So when you open it, it will bring this Mikrotik. If it doesn't, then you click on refresh. After refreshing it, you click on it, then you click connect. If you don't need like the password or the IP address, just put this. This is the default IP address for every Mikrotik. Then for the password, you can skip if you want and put, but for me, I have the password already on it. Then click on connect. Then here it opens. After opening, then you come and click on quick set. After clicking on the quick set here, you set the name of your Wi-Fi, as you can see. Then on frequency, you make it auto. You make it auto for the bands. You make this so that whenever you put any access point of 2, 5 and above, it will select those bands automatically so that they can respond, because we have different devices which are having different bands on these Mikrotiks. After setting that, you select the country where you are. As you can see, this is the country which I'm in. This is the MAC address for this Mikrotik. The name of this Mikrotik, it's rb951. This is the one which I'm making the configurations. After that, after doing all this, then you come to this side. Here on the address acquisition, you have to click on automatic. So it depends on what you're using. Then before going there, you have to set on this quick set, you have to select on the home AP. This is the best one which you can use, home AP. Then we go to the IP address. For the IP address, you have to use this. This is the one which I have tried to put. You can change according to your preference on, but sometimes you can leave the default, but I've put this. Then here you put 225.225. It selects itself and click on 24. The gateway, as you can see, we click 1. Then after clicking 1, we take the firewall router. Then here, as you can see, the IP address, as you see, it's the default one here on top. Then we come on net mask. Still, we click on 24. You can select, but here we normally use 24. Then you tick this DHCP server. Then you click from 10. Then you put up to 254. As you can see, you just select which you want. Then you click on NAT. So those are the configurations we need basically. Then you click OK. So after clicking wireless, as you can see it's here, then you select the mode into AP bridge, because you'll be putting access points so that those access points can pick the internet. You click on the AP bridge, then you select the band between the from 2 and above so that all the devices can connect. Here on the frequency, you have to click auto. So that means any frequency will be responding. Then for the Wi-Fi name, you make this so that every access point you put wirelessly will be, all the people will be searching this on their phone. So actually that's it, guys. And after doing all the setup, then you click on system. Look for where there is reboot and reboot the system. If you want to reset the configurations, you can click reset from here. So that's it, guys. Actually, thank you for those who have tried to be together till this far.